Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 213. So this week in media, I've included one article for you. You'll have to log in through the UAA site using the same login and password you use to get into this classroom and your email address. It's soft skills for the workplace. This is an article you might choose to include in your career research project. The most important thing we're doing this week is peer review. Research shows over and over again that getting response, authentic response from your peers is the most powerful tool we have available to us for moving your draft forward. So beginning on Monday, share your draft with your group members. You can find their UAA email addresses in the class directory. You'll choose this blue share button up here, and you can type their names or email addresses here and make sure that you give them status as editor, and that way they can fully comment in your draft. Make sure you let the people in your group know how you prefer for them to respond, what's important to you at that moment, and that will help them direct their response. And in the end, you'll submit to me just a short overview of how the peer review went for you. And you'll submit that here by the 17th. I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to reading your final drafts next week. Take care, everyone.